Hi students, welcome back to our channel. Now we are going to discuss about the sixth bit of exercise 4.1. Let us observe question. Find the value of n in each of the following. That is of first question. If you see 2 by 3 whole to the power of 3 into 2 by 3 whole to the power of 5, that is equal to 2 by 3 whole to the power of n minus 2. Here we need to find out the value of n. For this, if you observe this LHS, in the LHS we have the base as a 2 by 3. So as the bases are equal and connection between them is multiplication, so we can add a power. So LHS can be simplified as an 2 by 3 whole to the power of 3 plus 5, that is equals to 2 by 3 whole to the power of n minus 2. Here what formula that we have used? We used that a to the power of m into a to the power of n can be written as a to the power of m plus n. By using this formula we can write 2 by 3 whole to the power of 3 plus 5. From this 2 by 3 whole to the power of 3 plus 5, 8, that is equals to 2 by 3 whole to the power of n minus 2. Here if you observe this equation, in this equation we have LHS and RHS, both are having the same base as an 2 by 3. As the bases are equal, then we can equate the powers. So exponents also equal. From this we can write 8 is equals to n minus 2. We need to find out the value of 2. So to that, if I transpose this negative 2 to other hand of equation, it becomes a positive 2. So 8 plus 2, that gives you n. From this we get n value as a 10. Okay. Now in the same manner, let us see the next question. Next question is what? Minus 3 to the power of n plus 1 into minus 3 to the power of 5, that gives you minus 3 to the power of minus 4. Here also LHS is consisting of base as the same, so we can write common base as a minus 3 and we can add a power. So minus 3 to the power of n plus 1 plus 5, that gives you minus 3 to the power of minus 4. Here we have to write a reason, that is a formula, that is a to the power of m into a to the power of n can be written as a to the power of m plus n. By using this formula we can write it, and this can be written as minus 3 to the power of n plus 6, that gives you minus 3 to the power of minus 4. Here also as the bases are equal, then we can equate the powers. From this we can get it as n plus 6 is equals to minus 4, and transposing this plus 6 to the hand of equation, it becomes a minus. So that we get n is equals to minus 4 minus 6, that is equals to n is equals to minus 10 we got. So what is the n value in the second one? That is n is equals to minus 10. And let us see the third problem in this, that is of last problem in this bit. If you observe this, 7 to the power of 2n plus 1 divided by 49, that gives you 7 to the power of 3. So from this can be written as 7 to the power of 2n plus 1 by 49, that is equals to 7 cube. I am writing this can be written as 7 to the power of 2n plus 1 by 49 can be written as 7 square, that is equals to 7 cube. So and we have to recall a formula, that is of a to the power of m by a to the power of n can be written as a to the power of m minus n. By using this we can simplify this LHS as a 2 to the 7 to the power of 2n plus 1 minus 2, that gives you 7 cube. So from this 7 to the power of 2n minus 1 can be given as an 7 cube. Here also as the bases are equal, then we can equate the powers. By using that we can write 2n minus 1 is equals to 3. From this 2n is equals to, on transposing this minus 1 to other hand becomes a plus, so 3 plus 1, that is 4. 2n is equal to 4, then n is equals to 4 by 2, that is 2. So n value is what? 2. So likewise we can solve the problems of our sixth bit.